how Nigeria was formed, from kingdoms to colonial borders to independence. Nigeria today is Africa's most populous nation, a land of hundreds of ethnic groups, languages, cultures, and histories. But Nigeria did not begin as one country. It was shaped by powerful kingdoms, foreign rule, resistance, and a colonial decision that changed everything. See it. This is how Nigeria was formed. Long before the name Nigeria existed, complex societies flourished across West Africa. In the north, the Hausa city-states became major centers of trade and Islamic scholarship. They connected the Sahara to sub-Saharan Africa. In the southwest, the Oyo Empire rose as a powerful Yoruba kingdom. Its cavalry dominated trade routes and regional politics. In the south, the Kingdom of Benin became famous for its advanced governance and remarkable bronze art. These were organized states with rulers, armies, taxation systems, and diplomacy. The arrival of Europeans in the 15th century, Portuguese traders reached the West African coast. At first, trade focused on gold, ivory, and pepper. But soon, the transatlantic slave trade expanded. Millions of Africans were forcibly taken from the region. Entire communities were destabilized. Local politics changed. Power shifted. The region grew entangled in global economic systems. British expansion. By the 19th century, European powers competed for control of Africa. Britain gradually increased its influence along the coast through trade companies and military expeditions. British control expanded inland. In 1897, British forces attacked the Kingdom of Benin, ending centuries of independence. Northern Islamic territories were also brought under British control. The creation of Nigeria. In 1914, Britain made a decision that would define the future. It merged the northern and southern protectorates into one colony. This new territory was named Nigeria. The borders did not follow ethnic or cultural lines. Hundreds of different groups were placed under one colonial administration. Colonial rule. Under British rule, Nigeria became an economic colony. Railways were built to extract resources. Education systems introduced Western structures. But political power remained in British hands. Different regions were governed separately. Tensions grew between North and South. The rise of nationalism. After World War II, independence movements spread across Africa. Educated Nigerian leaders began demanding self-rule. Political parties formed along regional lines. Debates intensified about federalism and national unity. Nigeria's future was uncertain. Independence. On October 1, 1960, Nigeria gained independence from Britain. For the first time, Nigeria was a sovereign nation. But independence did not solve internal divisions. A brutal civil war followed. Millions were displaced. Hundreds of thousands died. Military rule and democracy. For decades, Nigeria experienced military coups and authoritarian rule. Oil wealth transformed the economy but also fueled corruption and instability. In 1999, Nigeria transitioned to civilian democracy. Since then, the country has continued navigating challenges, ethnic tension, economic reform, and political development. Modern Nigeria. Today, Nigeria is Africa's largest economy by population. Conclusion: Nigeria was not born from one tribe, one kingdom, or one religion. It was shaped by ancient civilizations, European colonization, forced borders, and the struggle for independence. From Benin to Biafra, from empire to republic, this is how Nigeria was formed.